do? Well, I have pierced ears, as you can see, so I have earrings. And earrings for me are like socks. They always run away. So I thought I should just make a lot of earrings, but I should make them pretty. And you know what's the best type of earring? Dreamcatcher earrings, because they catch dreams and they go in your ears. So today I'm going to show you how to make Dreamcatcher earrings. Let's get started. First, you will need little tiny feathers. Like this feather is small, so you'll need small feathers. You'll need flat earring posts. You'll need split rings. You need teeny tiny beads. Two different types of strings. And last but not least, you'll need a glue gun and tacky glue. Start by gluing one of your strings with tacky glue around the split ring. The next step is to use your different color string and tie a knot. Then add some feathers and beads and accessorize your string. Now use your glue gun to glue it onto your earring post. Looking for an earring post, looking for... So all you have to do now is make another one. Your reward is pretty earrings, and once you're done, you could wear them, because that's what you do with earrings. And that's it. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe and like and show it to your family members and friends and stuff. And don't forget to shine on. Goodbye!